Ever wondered what would happen if you ditched all the junk food and switched to only fruits for 30 days? The transformation your body goes through is absolutely mind-blowing. Let's break down what really happens week by week. In the very first week, your body starts to recalibrate. When you stop flooding your system with processed snacks and embrace the natural sweetness of fruits, your blood sugar levels begin to stabilize. Those intense cravings for chips and candy will slowly start to fade. Why? Because the fiber in fruits is a game changer. It slows down the absorption of sugar, which means no more of those dramatic energy spikes and crashes. Internally, your insulin levels find a new, steadier rhythm. Your gut bacteria get a healthier environment, and inflammation throughout your body starts to decrease. You're laying the foundation for some serious changes. By week 2, you'll really start to feel the difference in your digestion. The fiber from fruits acts as a feast for the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive. That uncomfortable bloating you might be used to, it starts to reduce significantly. You'll notice your bathroom schedule becomes much more regular and predictable. But it's not just about digestion. You'll feel a surge of natural, sustained energy throughout the day. That dreaded afternoon slump becomes a thing of the past. Plus, since many fruits are packed with water, you'll be much better hydrated without even trying. Now, let's talk about week 3. This is when the changes start to show on the outside. You might look in the mirror and notice your skin has a new, healthy glow. How does that happen? Fruits are loaded with antioxidants, which are like tiny warriors that fight off damage from free radicals in your body. On top of that, the high vitamin C content in many fruits boosts your collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Internally, your immune system gets a major upgrade. Your white blood cells become stronger, and your body's ability to repair itself speeds up. You're basically building a stronger, more resilient you from the inside out. Finally, we hit week 4. By this point, you might see the number on the scale start to drop. It's not because fruits are some kind of magic weight loss pill, but because you've successfully cut out a huge amount of processed sugar and empty calories from your diet. Your body isn't just lighter, it's healthier. Your cholesterol levels can improve, your blood pressure might decrease, and your body's tendency to store excess fat slows down. Here is a shocking fact to wrap it all up. Studies consistently show that people who eat fruit daily have a significantly lower risk of developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. So after hearing all that, the real question is, would you be willing to give it a try for just 30 days? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to transform your health.